Hi everyone, I'm Jack from SharpCloud. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Edit pencil while in Collaborate mode. So the Edit pencil exists in Collaborate as well as in Create, and you have this option on any view. Select the Edit pencil, select an item, and then you can make some changes to the data. For instance, you could change the name, the description, the external ID, the category, and you could also move through the attributes and change any attributes that are available to you to change. I could also investigate some of the calculated values, which I can't edit, but I can see a summary of. I could do some other actions like adding a click event, adding some items, adding or editing relationships, adding tags, investigating the panels, and also adding resources and documents. And all of this is available to me when I'm in Collaborate mode. On any view and on any item, I can cycle through the different items, see data that's attached to them, and also make some changes to them. So that's everything you need to know about using the Edit pencil in Collaborate mode. Thank you for watching.